need you in the morning, but I need you now. Yeah, I find you, I give you what you need, I know what you like.
Welcome back, guys. So today I'm here with Beaufox hair. Alright, so this is how the package looks that I got today. Don't please excuse my fingers, guys, my nails. I'm gonna be getting them done tomorrow, fresh set. Alright, so have a wig here, which we're gonna get into in a few. I got an edge brush, and comb. I have an elastic band branded Beaufox. That's how that looks. I got a pair of wig caps, like a little information card. Yeah, and that's everything in the box. This is just like a lining that they added in here. For today's wig, I have this gorgeous Wear and Go glueless, thick, fluffy, kinky, curly human hair. And this is a closure wig, guys. This is a closure wig. This is actually a 4x6 lace closure. It's a Wear and Go wig, and you guys know these are trending right now. I feel like they're super convenient, easy, quick, and very beginner friendly. You know, you really don't need to go to the salon to install these wigs. They really and truly do most of the work for you already, because the lace comes pre-cut, the hairline is pre-plucked, it blends down really nicely, and it's glueless. You don't need any product at all to rock these wigs. So, you know, again, the wig is branded, so that's really nice. They added this elastic band inside of the cap, which you can adjust it to how tight or loose you want it to be, you know, based on how snug you like your wig to be on your head. So you can just adjust that. And then this is it's a breathable cap, so you really don't have to worry about, you know, your hair not being able to feel, you know, like free beneath, because it's very breathable. It's not one of the regular standard cap construction. Then they have the non-slick silicone area here, which helps with really just security of the wig. And that's everything. That's how inside looks. It doesn't have any comb or anything. I'll just go ahead and cut away this tag before I proceed. And then it's a really nice fluffy curly texture, as I said, 18 inches long, of course, you know, when stretched. And the density will be listed in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out. But now that I went over, you know, just the features of this wig and how it looks with you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installing it, which is gonna be very quick, very to the point. So let's go. As you guys can see, I already adjusted the elastic portion, so I'm just gonna slip it on over my head, and that's how easy it is to slip this wig on. It's super snug, guys, and that's because I also adjusted it, as you guys saw, but it's not going anywhere. Let me do a shake test before we even move any further. You see that? Super secure. Super secure. It feels good. I don't feel like I'm gonna get a headache. Yeah. Usually when I have wigs like this too, and I'm gonna rock a wig like this, I'll do like my natural sideburns, since it's only like a closure. But before we even jump into that, I want to just go in and fix. As you can see, the laces are already pre-cut, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a little of my face powder to, you know, have it blend in a little bit more in the hairline. So that's all I'm gonna do. Usually, especially with a texture like this, you just fix the lace if there's anything to fix, and then you can just give it a nice wet look. So I'm gonna spray it down with water, because I know it does look a little crazy right now. It needs a little shaping, but I'm gonna spray it down with some water, and it's gonna look beautiful. And I'm rocking a very natural, very light makeup. You guys know I love to tie my like elastic band around the edge just to kind of like press the lace in. This just helps with making it even more like undetectable after I've applied my powder, but there's nothing else but powder on it, and you'll see. So what I'm gonna proceed to doing is I'm gonna get my water and I'm gonna spray the hair down with just water to define the look of things even more. So this is how we're looking. You know, I can go ahead and put a piece of that behind my ears. Like, I don't need any baby hair either for this for the glueless. For the most part, glueless wigs, you really don't need to do no edges, no baby hairs, no nothing. It's all about preference, and a lot of the times I opt to show you guys without me doing swoops on them or anything, because I know that it's the crowd. I don't know, it's like, if you want to, then go ahead. And you guys know I love to do a good swoop, but I feel like in terms of convenience and beginner friendly, that to maintain that whole beginner friendly vibe, a lot of times I'll show you guys without doing edges or anything, and it's just way, you know, more simple. So I hope you guys can appreciate that. I think Beaufox, they did a very good job with this wig. It looks very, you know, it looks very good. The construction is really nice, and then as I said, I feel like the whole cap construction make it less, like, you don't feel as confined on your head because your natural hair beneath all of this can breathe. You know, the hair isn't heavy. You know, you saw how nicely these curls came out. They are nice and like soft and well defined. Only thing I applied to this was some water because I wanted the volume. I wanted it to bounce back up real quickly and dry down quickly. I didn't want it to have that flat curly look, you know, so I didn't apply anything else to it but water, and I think it looks good. Let me know what you guys think. Shout out to Beaufox for today's wig look. It's, you know, something and I love it. Definitely recommend if you're looking for convenience, if you're looking for a nice, quick, convenient, glueless, curly textured wig, you got yourself one. Okay, so I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please check it out, as I said before, and as well I'll list all the specifications. So there you have that. Yeah, but that's it. Thank you guys so much for checking out today's video. Very quick, very easy, very to the point, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up on yourself. All right, bye.
Your body, baby.